What do you think about business cards, Larry? Because I'll go to a conference and I'll walk away with like 50 business cards and I don't ever look at them. They just go into a drawer. I have a drawer here full of business cards that I never look at. What are your thoughts on proper business card etiquette at a conference?
I think you still have to have them, but I'm right there with you, Mark. I collect them too, but guess what happens to them when I get home? The exact same thing that you do with them. They sit in my desk drawer. I get a collection. Then after a year or two, I go, man, I have got this massive stack of business cards. I have no idea who these people are. And off they go over my shoulder into the can. But at the same time, people expect them, man. So I still use business cards, but I'm also seeing that transition now where we've got the tap technology. We've got the QR codes. I just signed a deal with a company called Eli Technology, and now I'm promoting their QR codes. So there's all sorts of things there. I think you need to have it all. You need to be able to connect with people on whatever level they're ready to connect on. If you get somebody like me that's turning 50 this year, maybe I still want a business card, you know? But at the same time, because I'm in the mix and I'm still trying to stay up to date on all the latest and greatest ways to connect, I use QR codes. I use the tap technology. I use the airdrop stuff. I use all that stuff. So you need to be prepared from every angle.
Thanks for watching Mark SAVANT Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark SAVANT Media.